Have you ever wondered why your stomach churns when you're nervous or stressed? This is no random occurrence, but the work of an intricate two-way communication system known as the gut-brain connection. This fascinating network bridges our digestive tract and the brain, constantly exchanging messages and influencing one another. But this isn't just a poetic metaphor, it's grounded in tangible biology. Our body houses a complex network of nerves and chemicals that convey constant messages between the gut and the brain. It's a ceaseless dialogue, a symphony of signals that influences our physical state and emotional well-being in ways we're just beginning to understand. This dialogue between our gut and brain is so powerful that it can sway our mood, dictate our food choices, and even impact our immune response. So, the next time you say, "I have a gut feeling," remember, it's actually a scientific reality, not just a figure of speech. Let's delve deeper into the science behind this fascinating connection. At the heart of this link lies the vagus nerve, a critical player in this complex relationship. It's like a superhighway, transmitting messages between your gut and your brain. It's not a one-way street though. Both the gut and the brain send signals back and forth to each other, creating an intricate dialogue that affects everything from your mood to your immune response. Now let's talk about the gut microbes, or the microbiome. These tiny organisms that reside in your gut are not just passive residents. They are active contributors to this dialogue, producing chemicals that influence your brain. From serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of happiness, to gamma-aminobutyric acid, which helps control feelings of fear and anxiety, these microbes play a crucial role in governing our mood and mental health. In essence, a healthy gut could mean a healthy mind. Now, you might be wondering, what effect does this connection have on our health? Well, let's get into that. An unhealthy gut can become a breeding ground for a myriad of health issues. It's not just about stomach aches and indigestion. We're talking about anxiety, depression, and even chronic diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. You see, when your gut is in turmoil, it sends distress signals to the brain, which can trigger mood changes. It's a two-way street. Your gut health can impact your mental state and vice versa. Moreover, research has shown that certain types of bacteria in our gut might influence the development of neurodegenerative diseases. So, by keeping our gut healthy, we could potentially lower our risks of such conditions. It's clear that maintaining a healthy gut isn't just about physical health, it's integral to our mental well-being too. Remember, your gut is often referred to as your second brain for a reason. So, how can we nurture this crucial connection for better health? It all begins with a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients necessary to support a healthy gut microbiome. Regular exercise is also vital as it helps to stimulate the digestive system and promote gut health. Stress management plays a significant role too. Chronic stress can disrupt the gut-brain connection, so finding effective ways to unwind, like yoga or meditation, can be beneficial. Now let's talk about probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help balance the gut microbiome, while prebiotics are food for these good bacteria. Including a variety of these in your diet can significantly enhance the gut-brain connection. In conclusion, taking care of your gut is a powerful way to take care of your brain and overall health. After all, a healthy gut equals a healthy mind.